Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is Monday morning, bright and early for everybody out there. I mean, it's not on the East Coast. It's 11:50 here. Nonetheless, 58 degrees, sunny outside today. Looking good. We got Frank first in the chat. What's going on, Frank? Dark bro, Frank Moji, Dark bro. We got Matthew Moji, Matthew Shane, Matthew Stig, Shane, Matthew Shane, Kenneth. I feel like we're missing some people in here, man. I don't know what's going on. You guys got to jump in here a little bit earlier. Let's see what's going on in the market right now because it is a red day for the overall market. We've got AMC sitting at 657 at the moment. It is up slightly, 0.5%. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.81. GameStop 25.74. QQQ 266.77. QQQ sitting up a little bit earlier from where it was. Guys, if you didn't know, well, you wouldn't know. I scalped a put option on this one candle right here. I was in for about 10 seconds. I got in as the QQQ was hitting this descending resistance. It fell back down on this candle right here. I was up 10%, and I just took it. I could have been up 20% if I took it down here. I took 10%, and now I'm kind of glad that I did because I would be losing on it. But yeah, man, scalped that, and it was like a 10-second trade. Ridiculous. But nonetheless, very cool. Glad I got out now. But of course, if I would have stayed in, we'll probably watch this travel down even lower throughout the rest of the day here. So it still wouldn't have been bad if I would have stayed in. I don't think that this thing recovers today. I think we're just bouncing off some of these levels of support right in here, and we could absolutely see it fall down even further and retest this crazy line down here at 260. My goodness, we're just touching the bottom of this candle right here is all we're doing, bouncing off a little bit. Overall market getting hit hard today. We've got some losses. Did anybody seen Mullen Auto? We're going to look at Mullen Auto in a second, right after I say, Matthew! Fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom. Oh my gosh. Fist bump. Thank you very much, Matthew. Really appreciate that fist bump. You guys are absolutely awesome. Yo, bro, rock on. Wayne Sorbelli. What's going on, man? I'm here listening. Pika Power is in here. My CPI prediction is 8.7. 8.7 will be catastrophic. All right, let's see if we have actual CPI estimates out there to see what they are saying at the moment. And then we can go from there. 8.7, man, that's a tick back up from before. That is going to be bad news. Bad news. All right, hold on. We got to scroll out to this week. It's not showing us. Here. This week. Apply, please. Apply. And so that you guys can see it, let's pull it up. We've got CPI, inflation expectations on Thursday. Let's see here. What are we at? They're expecting 8.1%. No. These analysts are a little bit optimistic there. These analysts are being optimistic. They're expecting CPI to continue ticking down at 8.1%. I thought the previous reading was 8.5%. Apparently the previous reading was 8.3%. So I thought the previous expectations were 8.3%, but we came in at 8.5%. So unless they got this messed up, I was messed up. Nonetheless, if we come in above 8.1, terrible news. If we come in below 8.1, still probably going to be considered bad news because people might think that the Fed's going to remain hawkish and continue at the same pace because it seems to be working. And if we come in above 8.3%, oh man, expect a huge red line on every chart that's out there, except for contra ETFs and such that move off if the market is moving down. It's going to be a good week. Matthew, let's get it, man. Long-term retirement portfolio has 1/3 positions in the green. Frank, loving it, dude. Any positions in the green today, you're doing amazing. Patrick, oh, no water today. I forgot to refill after Friday. Darn it. Patrick, thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you very much for the... Super sticker! I got nothing. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. I do wish that I had some water right now, but I don't. So here we are. Good morning, campers. Another beautiful day watching the grass grow and markets move sideways. Mark L, you already know what it is, man. We love watching markets move sideways, don't we? Fine Monday morning, Clay. Here's some Hodl Lifer juice for you. I love that Hodl Lifer juice, man. I love that Hodl Lifer juice. That's the best kind there is. Bro, need a gin super sticker here as it is 5 p.m. No, you don't. You need coffee at 5 p.m., man. Go juice, that is. Go Inspector Gadget. Rozzy, thank you very much. This dude's name is wild. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super sticker. Oh, man, I was small. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh, that is not easy to do. For the super sticker, Rozzy, Mullen Automotive Strikingly Different Tour kicks off California in this October and in November of 2022. Yeah, we're gonna look at Mullen Auto here right now because Mullen Auto is getting trashed today, along with CEI. Man, we can see that the Nasdaq is in the red pretty decently here. 0.80% lower, losing almost 1% on the day. Was down about 1.5% earlier, bouncing back a little bit. But we've got BR Therapeutics sitting at 40.26. AMC, it is break even. Ethereum sitting at 13.09, down 1%. Shiba down 2%. Bitcoin down about 1%. 19.2, guys, cannot sustain a move off of this support line. All of the previous bounces, boom, bounce, boom, bounce, boom, bounce. Nice tick back up. Boom, even a nice bounce there, but can't do it now. Can't do it now. We are not getting the strength that we need for Bitcoin to bounce off this support level. And that typically means that traders are hesitating. Investors are scared. And the next leg down may be coming. You guys can see that when we fell through here, very similar situation, falling through 40,000. You know, hitting it, bouncing off nicely. Hitting it, bouncing off nicely. Hitting it, bouncing off nicely. And then, couldn't bounce. Broke through. Never really got a very nice bounce off 30. Couldn't break. Finally broke. And as you guys notice, this is what happens when it breaks. You guys can see that fine in the bottom left, right? Let's go a little bit bigger of a screen so you guys can see it a little bit easier because this is exactly what I expect to happen the next time that it breaks. And it's not just me, guessing that. It's based on previous performance. So when anything breaks out of these technical levels of support, boom, bounce, boom, bounce, boom, bounce, here it is. When it finally breaks, man, nice move down to the next level of support. Just very quickly. Same deal here. Can't break. When it breaks, boom, right down to the next level of support. Now, we've got a longer testing here. This test was only about a month, right? And we've been testing this for almost 4 months now, since June. So next week, it'll be about 4 months since we've been testing this level at 20,000. Test. When it breaks, please do not be surprised to see a shoot down to, boom, the next level of support, which could absolutely be between this $10,000 to $12,000 range. So I'm expecting a bad inflation report, and I'm expecting a bad inflation report to drop this down. A good inflation report could do just the exact opposite and make us move up. But nonetheless, with the weakness that it's kind of displaying here, I'm expecting this break to happen sooner rather than later, especially if we get a decent catalyst to the downside like that inflation report. We may get another move. Tick down. Do we get another tick down? Do we ever see prices like this again on Bitcoin? That is the question that I would love an answer to, but I have no idea. I have no idea if we're going to see that yet at this point in the game. We're going to have to wait and find out if Bitcoin at $1,000 is ever a possibility once more. But nonetheless, I do think that $10,000 is a possibility for Bitcoin. And a good old Terra Luna Classic sitting steady here with these whack candles because volume is low. Rozzy Clay, you on my TV with surround sound. Now that sounds like something I'm interested in, Rozzy. Let's get started. Anybody else coming on the TV right now? Anybody else coming on the TV? I'm not on my TV. I'm on my computer right now. Let's see. We got more exchanges listed in LUNC today. Perfect. I love to see that, man. Binance isn't the only one doing burns, right? Almost $3 million in 2 weeks from them. But what about everyone else? So Giovanni Lewis, man. Mexi Global, I believe, is still doing burns, but they are a very small exchange. As far as other major exchanges, yeah, KuCoin is not doing burns. We're not even listed on Coinbase. A lot of the major exchanges are not burning just yet. So you're right, man. This is a Binance show at the moment. Max Verstappen, a 2022 Formula One World Champion. Well, congratulations to you, Mr. Verstappen. Dude is killing it, man. 2022 World Champion, Formula One Racing. Very nice. Frank shouting out my boy Max right there. Looking good. I don't follow Formula One at all. Severus Croy, good evening to you. Oh, man. Severus Croy lost her green name. No. Darn, you skipped me. Champagne Poppy, I would never. How was your recovery after the Friday night stream? It was good. It was good. I showered and ate some dinner, and that was about it. That was about all I really did, but showered. I had to shower. I was sweaty, man. I was sweaty after Friday night stream. I honestly did not think that you guys would take me till 7 o'clock, but you did. Shower was necessary and felt... Dude, man, I could have gone round 2 after that shower. Could have gone round 2. Easy. Go, Max, go. Fantastic news. Is it? I wouldn't even know. Sexy Clayton, but not that sexy for the TV. Darn it, man. One of these days, Bronson, you didn't put me up on that 85-inch TV. People are going to walk in the room and say, yowza, man. Woohoo! We like what we see. But not today, so it's all right. Mullen pulled money out of their stock to buy the Hummer plant in Indianapolis. Plus, they just bought more Bollinger Motors, and for electric vehicle semi-truck, they're trashing the stock price, but will bounce back. It is a great buy now. Mullen Auto, guys, sitting at 25 cents a share. Wild. Look at this, man. It is lower than the lowest low we had previously hit with no signs of recovery. This is crazy. This stock was $15 at the end of last year. And in a year, you can't even see it. $15.90. In 1 year's time, Mullen Auto has gone from $16 a share. Oh my gosh, how far you got to scroll? To 25 cents. Touching 24 cents this morning. Oh boy, I sure hope they know what they're doing, because you can't have a happy investor at 25 cents. And am I glad? I remember I made that trade, got in probably here. I don't even know what day it was that I ended up getting out, but got in at 63 cents, got out at 66 cents, just made a 5% one-day swing trade. Glad I got out. I want to see what Mullen's book value versus their market cap is right now. They gotta be cheap. Where are they? They've got to be cheap. Let's see here. Okay, so the book value per share is only about 4 cents. That's not good. $130 million market cap. Dude, $130 million market cap, and these guys are bringing in $60 million a quarter? Are they losing money? Oh, no, that's how much cash they have. Sorry, that's revenue. They're not making any money. Oh. No wonder they got cash. They're diluting the crap out of their shareholders. Let's see. So they're losing. Golly, dude, they're losing $60 million a quarter, guys. They're losing $60 million a quarter, and they're only sitting on $60 million cash right now. They can only last one more quarter, unless they do it again. They're sitting on $60 million cash. Jeez. They owe $60 million in liabilities, and they're losing $60 million a year. They're bleeding at the moment. They better start generating a revenue. Whoo! Otherwise, you're going to be picking them up for $2.50 instead of 25 cents. Gosh, man. All this red makes me sick. I hate seeing all that red down there. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. We'll keep the Terra Luna Classic graph down there in the bottom left. That looks good. You guys got to tell me that there's no ad. Did you guys get an ad when you came in? Did you guys get an ad when you came in? Because monetization was off. Now monetization is on. I'm going to tell you something. Guys, YouTube messed up over the weekend. YouTube didn't have any monetization buttons on Saturday. And there's a good chance if they don't fix that, I think YouTube could be in a lot of trouble if they don't fix that, man. I don't know how much money YouTube brings in on a daily basis, but if they don't pay any creators for Saturday because of their bug and their issue that they got fixed as quick as possible or as quickly as they could, yeah, dude, there's probably hundreds of millions of dollars that were supposed to go to people on Saturday, but YouTube just decided not to because they took the monetization button away from everybody for 24 hours. Yeah, right. It's not going to work out for them. It's not going to work out very well for them. Let's see. I just tweeted you and just realized you don't follow me on Twitter. Rozzy, how is this possible, man? How is this possible? Oh, a little peek power. Oh, a little peek power right there. All right, going after notifications. I still have Pika's profile up right there. Rozzy, I see you. Nice. Yeah, Rozzy's got me on the television. Looking good. Looking good. I don't know how I don't follow you. Do now, man. Follow I clicked follow, and it didn't click follow. But now, I do follow you. All right, let's see here. Hello, watching from... Gotta be South Africa, right? So, thank you for watching from South Africa. I'm currently in Ohio. Mullen is not making anything at the moment. Yeah, dude, that's brutal, man. Let's see, no ad. Did not get an ad. It's because monetization wasn't on, man. You guys don't remember if you get an ad or anything over the weekend on Saturday, do you? If you watched any of the videos on Saturday? Yeah, YouTube's probably going to get in trouble for that, man. They can't not pay creators for an entire day. That would be wild. Don't tell me, bro. I'm an ad blocker. Oh, nice, Matthew. It seems every day I get a notification that Mullen has hit a 52-week low. Again, I should buy more. It is every day because literally every day. I mean, look at this. Look at this chart. You have to zoom in wildly right here because it's fallen so much just over the last, like, look, this here, just this tiny little move right here is still like a 60% decline. Even more from just this yellow line right here, 60 cents to 25 cents, that's probably the 60%. You're going here $1. You lost 75% of the company in the last 2 months, man. You can't continue to treat investors like this. Oops again. You can't continue to treat investors like this and expect them to stick around, man. This is like devastating losses in Mullen Auto right here. Ridiculous, man. And down 15% today. It's wild. But NASDAQ coming back down. Uh-oh, QQQ sitting right here. What was the candle that I partook in? It was this one, wasn't it? I think it was this candle right here. Yeah, so it might be doing even better. Anybody know what the 266s are trading at on the QQQ right now? No ads. Well, you're going to have ads now, man. I might actually hit you guys with... No, I'm not going to do it, man. I'm not going to hit you with an ad. That's my mistake. Bro, you're a machine. D. Trent, you're a machine, man. No ads, no ads, no ads. Thanks. Heck yeah, Rozzy, I got you. Yes, got ads over the weekend. Lots of political ads. Interesting. They play that crap on my video? Do they play that crap on my video? Like, oh boy. I'm gonna have to turn off I'm gonna turn on ad blockers for all the idiots that want to post ads on my videos. Why was I the 20th like? Come on, guys. Support Claybro. Not financial advice. Yes, no ads for any videos. Easy Ride says, forget that. How did sticker weekend go? Did you get extra? Let me show you how sticker weekend went. I'll show you how sticker weekend went. Why don't I? All right, here I will show you how sticker weekend went, man. Sticker weekend was a good deal. So, I've got. Well, I don't need to show you. I don't need to show you that vinyl. So I do have more vinyl, and I'm going to be printing a bunch of. What am I going to be printing a bunch of? I'm going to be printing a bunch of these. Hopefully just throughout the week at random times this week. But, Rozzy! Thank you very much, Rozzy, for the super sticker. Rozzy says, it's almost lunchtime. I forgot how to eat a hot dog. You take the hot dog and you dip the hot dog, Rozzy. You dip it down in your favorite dip. And when you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it. Thank you very much, Rozzy, for the super sticker. Really appreciate that, man. Guys, I don't know if you can actually tell. Oh, yeah, you can see they're cut. So you can see these bro stickers are cut right here, right? I got to weed them out and get all the excess off of where it shouldn't be. But look at all this that I got printed up. I don't know if you can tell. I got all this printed up over the weekend. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, maybe I print one more to make it 10 sheets. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, there's going to be 120 bro stickers if I do one more sheet of bros. And then I could do the YouTube logos there. And that'll be good, right? I'm pretty sure we'll be able to cover plenty of sticker packs with 120 bros. And, I don't know. I'll print a bunch of these up because I got a bunch of red. So we'll do that. And then, and look at this. Look at this little deal that I got here. Since I told you that we would be doing some more t-shirt giveaways, because I wanted to get the guys that have been in here a year some t-shirts, and then we could just have a little bit of fun and do some t-shirts there. We got sizes ranging from medium to 2XL. Just to let you know, the 2XL guys, you guys are stuck to that light gray. That's all they had with the light gray, man. Otherwise, mediums and larges, you guys got the dark gray, and you got the red shirts there. So, boom on that one. I'm going to get the stickers done first because I'll just get those mailed out or whatever and be able to go with that one. And then I have to print all the iron-on stuff for the shirts here. So, got that situated and ready to go there, too. So, yes, it was actually a busy weekend, dude. I spent Dude, I probably spent 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours, doing stickers. Not including the time that it took to go buy those stickers and shirts and stuff either. So, oh yeah. We're going to be doing good, guys. We're going to be doing good. We got sizes up to 2X, and so medium to 2X. I got some smalls left over if you guys actually need a small or whatever, so I didn't buy any smalls. And I did have like 2 or 3 more mediums there if you guys did need another medium. But yeah, dude, we're going to make it happen. We're going to make it happen. I just got to print some more of these, and then after I cut out all the excess, you guys will be good to go with sticker packs and Easy Ride. Easy Ride will definitely be getting a sticker pack. He's the first sticker pack that I'm going to address. I don't know if they'll send it to him first. I can't help what the post office does. But yeah. Oh yeah, we got extra larges, man. XL, XX, 2X. Well, JB, there's your 2X, man. JB, it is a little bit more. I don't know if I'll be doing the shirt giveaways for overseas shipping. Right? Overseas shipping kind of sucks. I can't guarantee anything overseas shipping. I can't even really get a tracking number for overseas shipping. And it does depend. So like overseas shipping, man, if I was going to hit everybody up with overseas shipping, it's like 20 plus bucks to ship it overseas minimum. And then it could take weeks to get there. So I don't have a problem doing it, right? I just can't guarantee that it does show up if I do send it anywhere overseas. Technically, I can't guarantee that it shows up if you live in the United States either. But at least I can get a tracking number and then they insure it and stuff. So, JB, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Thank you very much for the super sticker, JB, dude. Thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that, man, and that green name looking good on you. Yeah, but JB, I mean, it doesn't mean that I can't do it either. You know what I mean? It doesn't mean that I can't do it either. It just means that I can't guarantee that it gets there or anything like that. Razi, clear the best streamer on YouTube, and soon to be the best streamer. You can stream on OnlyFans? I didn't even know you could stream on OnlyFans. Razi. Let's go, baby. Best streamer on OnlyFans. #1 in the mundo. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about, dude. #1 in the mundo. Let's make it happen. Stream on. I didn't even know you could stream on OnlyFans. Razi just incentivized me to go over to the OF. I want hoodie, UK. I believe it will get here. Well, Matthew, as long as you believe, don't forget, we still do have 4 hoodies left. From J-Bones, man. I still have 4 hoodies left that I got to give away from J-Bones, too. So that's at least 20 articles of clothing that we can give away after we get everybody a sticker pack. That wants a sticker pack. We could do the t-shirts and stuff like that. Hope it doesn't cost too much to send those prizes. Buggy talking about it. No, Francis. So if I send a t-shirt, basically anywhere in the U.S., you send it. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm gonna send it first class if I send it to you. It's just absolutely ridiculous. I can't justify spending like $10. It's like $9.90 to like $11.20 to ship priority mail, and it gets there potentially 1 day sooner. You ship it first class, it's $5.60. Why would I spend an extra $6 to get it there 1 day earlier? Not gonna happen. Pay attention to Circle. Read up. Polygon has already jumped on board with Circle. They are polling a coin leader, and Bitcoin is said to be tied in as being a stable coin. A lot of details. Includes Ethereum. Kenneth, Circle coin or what? Info to beat Christopher Bones hoodie. Oh, gosh. I don't have any info, man. I wish I did, Bronson. I wish I did. You got to get on J-Bones' good side, man. I don't know if J-Bones is wanting me to give just all those hoodies away or if J-Bones is going to pick the winners on those other hoodies. All good, Clay. It would cost a fortune to send anything here. I'm just happy watching you. Nah, Francis, it probably wouldn't cost a fortune. It would probably cost like $20 to $25 to send a shirt or whatever, which is not like ridiculous. The only part that I don't like about it is that I can't guarantee that it gets there. You know what I mean? I've sent stuff overseas, and every single time it has gotten there. So I've sent to Brazil, I've sent to Sweden, and I've sent to the UK. And it has arrived. And it's arrived just fine. So it does take a while to get there, though. It does take a while. The shirt to Sweden took several weeks. UK wasn't that bad. UK was literally like a little over a week, and then almost a month to Brazil. But it has arrived. Let's see here. Ship t-shirt for me, please. Ponzo, I'm going to tell you right now, I've never shipped anything to South Africa, so I don't know how that would work, dude. If I do ship a t-shirt out to you, or if we do a win. But I do want to say, like, I want to hit everybody that hit a year on their membership. I do want to get you guys shirts. And even if they're just regular bro shirts, you know, that I get going and ship them out, I do want to get the guys that have been a member for a year bro shirts before I, you know, do the like a bunch of giveaways or whatever. But so until then, we will calm down just a little bit. But yeah, if you guys have been a member for a year, you're getting a shirt. Even if you already have a shirt or whatever, you got another shirt coming. So very cool. Postage is so expensive in the USA. Dude, it's ridiculous, Stig. It's ridiculous. Everything's ridiculous right now. But you're right, man. If I wanted to get there in 2 days, those hoodies that I shipped out, $17 to ship a hoodie. Okay, I shoved it in a flat rate priority envelope that was like $10, but it was $17 to ship a hoodie. I think that's crazy. I think it's crazy. Like, it's a little hoodie, almost vacuum pack sealed. And it's $17 to ship it. Not a worry, Clay. If I win, I can donate it to someone here in the USA. Francis, nice. So next big catalyst for LUNC started moving again. Jeffrey, moving which direction? Because I'm going to tell you this, dude. I believe the next big catalyst is going to be inflation on Thursday. I'm just preparing for a bad inflation report. It is a feeling that I have, so don't make an investment decision based on that. But I have a feeling inflation's going to be bad on Thursday. However, the next big catalyst for Terra Luna Classic could be either a rebuild proposal getting passed, or we're starting to see a sell-off in cryptocurrency right now. We're going to pull up Bitcoin's chart and look at that here in a second. Or another exchange adding to the burn mechanism and adding to Terra Luna Classic burns. So we can see that Terra Luna Classic is falling down a little bit. Shiba Inu coin throwing a big purple candle on there right now. And I imagine that Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin as well, is throwing a few purple candles on here, coming back down. And basically the same exact green line that Shiba Inu coin has going on right now. Bitcoin is moving back up a little bit. Shiba Inu coin moving back up a little bit. Ethereum sitting right at $1,300 per coin. I'm telling you guys, these support levels are really being tested. They are really being tested here. We're coming down nice and slow back down to this $19,000 level. I don't know if we take all the way till Thursday to come retest this 18, but it's adding up to, at least to me, to look like weakness heading into a potential break. So, like I say, I don't know if we'll get it or not, but this is a very important line to uphold on Bitcoin there in the overall cryptocurrency market. But we can watch Terra Luna Classic. Ooh, bouncing back a little bit. Terra Luna, the same deal. Terra Luna's kind of following the overall crypto market right now, guys, with a little bit of a bounce right there. Makes me appreciate that Royal Mail more so. You should, dude. You should. Clicky that likey button. Listen to Denellen. Smash that like button. Thanks, Mo. You only are 1 to 2 hours away from me. When in Chicago, Clay's like 4 hours away from me. A golf over the weekend. If you're saying me, dude, golf is never a good idea for me. I'm terrible at golf. What was the Binance burn? So $2.99 billion. $2.99 billion. Binance burned $916,000 worth of Terra Luna Classic today, and it resulted in 2.996 or 2.998 billion Terra Luna Classic being burned. So basically 3 billion, man. Wedding crap all week. Stepdaughter getting married. Yeah, Moji said he's going to be freezing in Chicago at 32. Chicago, hopefully, is going to be a lot colder than Ohio because it's 60 degrees right now. Hey, how to win a medium t-shirt, a pack of stickers for my friends and family. Easy ride. I don't know how I'm going to give away the t-shirts yet, okay? I don't know how I'm going to give away the t-shirts yet. Shouldn't be too hard to give some t-shirts away, man. I don't want it to be too crazy. Like I say, the first batch is just going to go to whoever's been a member for more than a year. I wanted to support you guys for supporting the channel, obviously, and just say thank you with a t-shirt. And then whatever's left, I don't think that. So like I said, I got like 15 or 16 t-shirts there, and I can get some more if we need some more, but I figured we'll do those first and get those out of the way, because I don't think there's 15 or 16 guys that are active that have reached a year yet. Let's see. Thanks for the reminder, Danelle. I have now clicked the like thumb. Cassie, thank you. Click when we see in a penny. Champagne Boppy, man. Hopefully during the next bull market. I don't think we're going to see a penny before the next bull market returns. I just don't know when the next bull market returns, man. That's the thing. You know, what we're living through this situation right here, right now. Let's go back out to the Bitcoin chart. We're living through this situation back here right now. This is what we're doing right here. Down here, down here. We may end up with another 50% decline coming down to, well, I don't know how far we're going to come down on Bitcoin, right? But after being at all-time highs and pulling back, gosh, man, 80+% to this area, and then 90% declines coming down to this area, like 85% declines right here. People were saying Bitcoin was dead. People were saying that it sucked. People were saying that Bitcoin was over, and so on. We're probably just living through these areas right in here, and we may have another several months ahead of us of low prices for Bitcoin, and a nice rally here. It may fall back off. This is a steep decline, man. 14,000 all the way back down to 7,000 on Bitcoin. So, and then back down to 4,000 here. And very, very low volume. People kind of getting sick and tired of what's going on, not looking good. And then, man, when the bull market finally returns, I don't know if it's this year, next year, the year after, when the bull market finally returns, even if you were just adding what you could during this time frame, you are not going to be upset to see 10, 20, 30x gains in your cryptocurrency, man. 64,000, steep decline back down to 30,000, running up to $70,000 on Bitcoin. So, and then it's even better when you look at not Ethereum Classic. Do I have? All right, I don't have Ethereum up here. But when you look at stuff like Ethereum, and you see runs from, well, how far back? You get $5, man. So what we're living through now is this decline. We're living through the decline right now. Nobody knows. Everybody's saying it's done. It's not looking good. You're stacking up for pennies on the dollar, and then you're grabbing Ethereum, man, at $80 a coin, and all of a sudden $80 turns into $5,000. I mean, ridiculous gains are ahead. You just can't give up during this period. Either you just hold and forget about it and just let it happen when it happens, or you're able to continue adding and buying more and more and more coins, so when a time frame like this does come, it's ridiculous gains for everybody. So that's what we're looking at right now, man. It's going to be tough. I don't know how much tougher, but it's going to be tough. Penny, isn't that what's left of a paycheck due to inflation? Yeah, dude, no joke on that. Where's Queen Pika? Pika Power should be listening right now. She said she was listening in here. Got Ethereum sub 1,000 with dollar cost average. Boom, Moji, loving it, man. I ate stuffed fat steak after the gym. Just about watching you today. Food coma. JB, man, there you go. Pika pops up when least expected. Oh, yes. Talk about USTC up 36%. Truck drivers. So I believe USTC is getting a little bit of excitement because more and more and more of these Terra Rebel developers are proposing plans to revitalize UST and repeg UST. I still think we're a very long way off from getting these plans enacted and actually working, but nonetheless, man, I think that's why you're seeing an increase in USTC is because people are getting excited about all the chatter and all the clamor for UST repeggings. While every other YouTuber say a penny soon, Matthew Perry said it would hit a penny less than 200 days, and now he's saying $1. Well, I think that there's a certain what's the best word to use? There's a certain thrill, I guess, to knowing that it can hit a penny. And I don't know what they're basing their judgment off of, but I don't think we see a $60 billion valuation without a bull market. So they could be basing it on the fact that we might be seeing many more burns than we currently are. They might be basing it on the fact that the bull market might be returning sooner than I expect the bull market to return. So there's a lot that they could be basing it on, and I would just be sitting here speculating if I tried to guess what they were doing. I'm basing mine on a bull market returning, and unfortunately, I don't know when the bull market returns. Do Kwon pumping it? I hope Do Kwon's not pumping USTC, man. I'm thinking if LUNC is going to take a while, might be a good idea to stake. Yeah, Nitsua JK. So staking right now isn't for a very long time frame. So if you do want to stake your Terra Luna Classic, you absolutely can. And only stake, though, if you only have that long-term mentality. Staking rewards are still very low compared to what you can make in Terra Luna Classic in a day. So if Terra Luna Classic, if you're interested in actually earning, 4 or 5% or whatever, cool. But Terra Luna Classic is already down 2% today, and I don't know exactly where it began here, but if you come to just 30,000 down to the 29,000, that's a 5% loss right there, right? So you're already looking, almost 5% loss. You're already looking at 4 or 5% swings in a few hour period, just on the price action alone. So if like small gains like that are what you're after, you could just literally make one trade and you'd be fine. But staking also, I mean, if you're tempted to take your profit and you know you don't want to, dude, stake it and you'll just be sitting on it. Pika Power! Yes, I can't believe it's only been 3 months. Yep, it's only been 3 months, Pika. It's only been 3 months. Crazy how time just stands still when you know you're exactly where you're supposed to be. 3 months seems like a lot longer than that, Pika. Thank you very much for the member chat. They should seize Do Kwon's assets and use those to burn LUNC. Notos. Not a bad idea, but who seizes Do Kwon's assets, right? If you've got governments seizing his assets, they're going to keep that money for themselves, dude. They don't give a crap about burning Terra Luna Classic. They don't give a crap about rebuilding a blockchain or you and I. They will be sitting on those assets for themselves. Rozzy, thank you very much for the super chat. All this staking talk is making me hungry. I had some steak last night, dude. Steak and broccoli and some coleslaw. It was fantastico. It was good, man. It was a good steak, so I'm technically not hungry right now, but if I was, all of this staking talk would make me hungry for some steak. I sent you a message on the Discord. There you go, King Mamba. Rozzy. It's true, though. I've been here for over a year. I'll take a large. Let's see. Pudgy with the Rainbow Ape. I think the diamond comes in at a year, Pudgy, right? I think the diamond comes in at a year, man. Congrats, anywho, Pika. Congratulations being a bro. Heck yeah, heck yeah. JB had to make a new account because an exit locked me out of an old account. I unlocked access, but I'm not a mod on that account. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for your account? Sounds like you're owed a diamond, Pudgy. It does sound like Pudgy's owed a diamond, doesn't it? I don't know how. I've been watching for a year. Just became a bro thanks to Pika. No toast. Good deal, man. Have to relax on the stakes. Been having too many. JP says forget about it. I gotta come back on the stakes, man. I gotta do a little bit better than that. All good, man. Feeling cute, might say. Well, there you go, No toast. There you go. Looking cute in the green. Guys, little market recap. The NASDAQ is coming back down now. Actually, would have been better if I kept those options. Somebody go look and see what the 266s on the QQQ are costing right now. AMC down 2%, trending lower since rising this morning. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1074, down 2.76% at the moment. Looks like a big purple candle, guys, but it's not that big. Shiba Inu coin has just been pretty stagnant here. GameStop losing about 1% on the day, sitting at 25.10. The NASDAQ down 1.5% today. This is a very, very strong level of support, guys. If this is broken, we're looking at some dangerous potential declines in the NASDAQ and the overall stock market. We could just be getting started on these declines like today when this level here is broken. If not Thursday, blasting us down through this major level of support here. Biora Therapeutics getting hit very hard again today over the last 2 months, going from $1.15 to 40 cents, nothing but declines in Biora Therapeutics. AMC sitting at 640 right now, down 2%. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the red right now. Sundial back down to 209, man, losing 2% on the day. Mullen Auto down 15.25%, sitting at 25.69. CEI down about 11%. The SPY down over 1%. BBIG down over 2%. Highcraft Mining at 59 cents per share. Netflix slightly in the green, 107% higher. Terra Luna Classic down 3% at the moment. QQQ sitting at 264.80. Gosh, dude, these, oh man, these have to be at $2. The 266 is at $2 right now. Dang, man, I would have doubled my money on those if I would have stayed in. But I snagged this one candle right here. Scalped a 10% gain, not bad. In 10 seconds, I guess you got to take it. Ape sitting at $1.91. Wow, $1.91 on Ape, man. That $1.49 is incoming on Ape. I'm telling you. Ape might end up being... They might dilute Ape so much that Ape looks like Mullen Auto. I'd be tempted to buy Ape at a freaking quarter. I would. I'd be tempted to buy Ape at a quarter. If they ruined it down to a quarter, I'd be tempted to buy Ape at a quarter. Gosh, man. Let's see. We got to come back out to here. Biora Therapeutics, 40 cents. Tough life for Biora Therapeutics. $1.68. Dang, dude, it would have been up 68% right now if I would have stayed in there. Nonetheless, man, I've never scalped a 10% gain in like 10 seconds. I had to do it. It was for me. I got in, got out, literally no worries. It wasn't even open long enough to do anything. Got in at $1, sold at $1.10 in like a 10-second play. Did you hear about the talk about repegging USD to gold standard? How will that affect Shib? So Nitswa JK, they're not gonna do that. They're not gonna repeg the dollar to the gold standard. Not even possible at this point. I'm pretty sure the total value of all gold, like mined in the world, is 10 trillion. And the entire wealth, okay, is well above that. but the actual dollars printed are like 4 or 5 trillion, I believe. So the United States would have to own 50% of the entire world's gold supply. So I don't think we're going to be repegging or collateralizing the US dollar with gold ever. Donnell, thank you very much. You're number one, Donnell. You're number one, Donnell. You're number one, Donnell. Donnell, thank you very much for the super sticker. My goodness. Look, that's a nice calm sticker right there. Yeah, that's a nice calm sticker. I like it. It's for Pika Power. Oh, my bad. Pika Power, you're number one. Pika Power, you're number one. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Donnell. US doesn't hold enough gold to repeg. Yes, it's unfortunate, but it's true. Good evening, Saradistic Roy. Thanks, Donnell. Made me smile. Where's Mr. Simon? Where is Mr. Simon? I don't know. I haven't seen Simon in a while. Was that Ape Stock or crypto? This is Ape Stock here on the top left. $1.91 for Ape Stock. Ape Crypto, I believe, is still above $5. Yeah, Ape Crypto is $5.21. So Ape Crypto is actually doing better than Ape Stock right now. Wild. Man, wild. $1.68. This candle was sweet though, man. 10% spike on that candle. I'll take it. Simon lost money on side of Flow. I hope not. That's why he was asking about it so much. I hope he didn't lose any money on side of Flow. How do I even renew? Pika gave me a free green name last time, so not sure how to do it. Matt Z. So I'm not sure if you're on Android or if you're on iPhone. If you're on iPhone, you got to do one of two things. You either have to click the link in the description below on your computer, or you're going to have to copy and paste that link on out into Safari. iPhone doesn't allow you to do it, as far as I know, through the YouTube app. You have to do it through Safari. And it's the link that says grab a green name, join a channel, become a bro, or something like that. And if you're on Android, all you got to do is click that blue join button, and then you can get that green name. Let's see. ArcCoin? I have not looked into ArcCoin, man. I've not looked into ArcCoin, JB. Yeah, I read about, but then I thought, but how? Just thought I would ask. Yeah, Nitsuo, no problem at all. We would literally have to, who is it? Is it Uganda? Who just found $13 trillion worth of gold? We would basically have to go conquer that country if we wanted to repeg the US dollar to gold. But yeah, I talked to him on Friday. Been busy with work. Lost a bunch of workers. Why? Why'd they lose a bunch of workers? Buying Ape at 0.00. Dude, half a cent? I will definitely buy Ape at half a cent. Facts, dude. If USTC goes to 50 cents, where do you see the price of LUNC? Ooh, truck driver. If that's the case, man, I would say Terra Luna Classic breaks another 0. I would say it drops another 0. So we could still see maybe a 4x gain in Terra Luna Classic to get there, minimum. If not, let me show you why I don't know if we're gonna go much higher than a 4x gain to break that 0. We could essentially see. Nope, don't want to go that far. We could essentially see a 10x gain, but so increasing all the way here, this is basically a doubling of our money to get up to this area. This would prove to be a great level of resistance on a 10x gain right here. I don't think that it's going to be easy to just break through this level right here at 1/4 cent. I think we're going to need to see more than just USTC going back up to 50 cents to see this happen. Because remember, even if USTC does go up to 50 cents, the most important part is getting it repegged. If it's rising in value, it's just because people are buying it, they're excited about it, and so on. We need to make sure that it's repegged to bring utility back to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, not just the price rising. 8 to 25 cents. Buy. Yeah, dude, if 8 falls down to 25 cents, which at the current declines, guys, I'm telling you, I really don't think that's crazy. I really don't think that's crazy to see just catastrophic losses across. And, there's so much crap going on right now. I can't even read Twitter with all the crap that people talk about on a daily basis. But when you start adding nuclear into the mix and everybody starts thinking about, nuclear bombs and things like that, imagine if one of those was dropped, okay? Who the heck is even going to care about inflation at that point? We're going to have a whole new set of problems that are going to cause a lot of problems. I mean, there's no other way to put that. It sounds dumb. We're going to have new problems that cause problems, right? But, yeah, if anything like that goes down, expect steep declines, man. Expect some steep declines. Spooky Walks Portsmouth. What is this name? I love it. Am I back? Guess who's back? Oh yes! How about now? Sarah Destek-Roy. Yes, but it looks like you got a name on another account there. Sarah Destek-Roy. I'm not exactly sure. Spooky Walks Portsmouth is looks like the one that's got that became a bro right there, but Sarah Destek-Roy is still gray. And Pika throwing out 5 green names. Pika, Sarah, Pika, Sarah. We got Matt Z gifted another membership. Look at that, Matt Z getting lucky twice in a row. Francis got a green name. John J getting a green name. Heck yeah, Jim from Wales and Mark. I'm not gonna lie to you guys right now. I am very excited by that lineup. That's like hitting first round draft pick, and you guys get the first five picks on that one. Excellent on that one. My gosh, I like that. Demon 93, man, are you in here right now? Demon 93 became active after Pika threw some out there the other day, but yeah, this is going to some active people there. Loving that round, Pika. Look at those. Oh man, beautiful green names on that one. Yes, welcome everybody. Sarah Destek-Roy. Yeah, so it does seem like you may have got it on the wrong one. You could do one of two things, right? Just change your name on the other one, or if you don't want it, I mean, just cancel it. Doesn't affect me if you cancel it. I don't care, and get it on the new one. So completely up to you. You can either change the name on your other Google account to Sarah Destek-Roy and use that one, or I guess if you don't want to do that, you could just cancel that one and try to get it on this name. Either way, it should work, because one way or another, it doesn't affect anybody but you with the name and account that you want to use there. But yes, man, the franchise, that was a good one right there. That was a good batch of green names coming in with Sarah Destek-Roy. And all the new green names here. I love the fact that some active people got it. Matt Z throwing down Francis, John J, Jim from Wales, and Mark L. Heck yeah. Pika, I don't know. You can't pick who gets the green name, right? That was just the Pika, you gotta buy a lottery ticket. So I don't care if it's only like a $20 million jackpot. You gotta buy a lottery ticket today. Way too lucky on that one. Which went to you? It could have. Sarah's got like 6 accounts in here, so maybe John J is Sarah, just using a different name. Prison Protocol, you know what, Unique? I actually don't know, okay? I actually don't know. Simoninho! He's back, man. Simon, did you hear that we were just talking about you? Simon? Let's see here. And welcome to all the green names, man. Very welcome, friends. Glad I went to someone in here all the time. Heck yeah, man. I am too big. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. I will join when this runs out. Boom, baby. Thanks again, Francis. Absolutely awesome. Glad all of you guys won those green names there. Very active. And, yes, very, very happy about that. So, Pika, absolutely amazing. I don't even know how to say thanks to Pika. Pika's incredible. There she is. Oh, yes. There's Simon. There is Simon. Pudgy, my homie. What's going on? Thanks for giving Pika. I'm usually here even when I can't say hi. Even though you should be sleeping, Even though you should be it's very late in Australia. Also, join this runs out. But yeah, right. Matt's going to be like, by the way, remember that last time Pika sent some green names and I got one? That was awesome. Yes, Pika. Hey, could you do it again? Pika, give me another shot. Yeah, I'm just messing with you, Matt. Oh, gosh. Our up then? HR up then? Something? Oh, I know I missed it. Yeah, YouTube picks the names in here at random. If there isn't anyone who can receive it, it picks a random subscriber. Dude, that would be wild. If we get to the point where there's 100 people in here, everybody has a green name, and it just gives it to a random subscriber who isn't in the live chat. 1 out of 100,000. The random subscribers gets a green name because everybody in the chat has a green one. My gosh. What if the dollar was backed not just by gold, but multiple precious metals, and they created a new reserve type of collection of metals? Yeah, dirty techie. See, all of that it can work, right? But here's the problem that I don't think that I don't think the government wants to have this problem. There's a limited amount of precious metals, even if you add all of them together. And I don't know how much the U.S. government owns. But the U.S. government, imagine you, man. Imagine you with a magic lamp, and you just start to rub that genie, man. You say, and he comes out, and you wish, and you make your wish, and you say, I want an unlimited amount of money. Not, I wish for $1 million, I wish for $1 billion, $1 trillion. I wish for an unlimited amount of money. That's what the government has right now. It is literally backed by nothing other than their idea, and on a whim, they can go out and print some. And the government views that as like the ultimate genie wish. If we repeg it to, or collateralize it by any gold or precious metals or anything, there will be a limit to how much that we can print and how much wealth is able to be out there. Right now, in the current system, they don't have complete control, but they basically have unlimited resources. They will have complete control when they turn it over to a central bank digital currency, and they have complete control not only of their account and how much is printed and minted and destroyed, but your accounts as well, and being able to limit and cap individual wallets just by the click of a button. So when that happens, man, we're in a pretty bad situation financially, all of us. Simon, they need to give you a raise. Yes, they do. Simon, hand the phone to your manager right now, and I will plead your case, dude. I will plead your case for you. Razia, I've just cooked a chicken curry if you want some. Sarah DeStacroix, I want some. Hey, Clay, do you see a downturn in the economy and market unlike we've ever seen before coming soon? Peter James, potentially, man, potentially. What am I basing it on right now? Inflation, okay? If inflation starts to tick back up, currently they're expecting, I believe, 8.1%. If inflation starts to tick back up above 8.3%, then it is going to be, in my opinion, major swing to the downside. If any of these idiots out there start to drop nuclear bombs, and I don't even know if YouTube's going to let me say that, but if any of them do that, right, I think we are going to be in for a huge decline in valuations. Now, the dollar might rise, okay? If that's the situation and everybody looks to the U.S. as, oh, save us, you're our safe haven, the dollar may rise in value at that point because that's what happens during times of war. However, if the dollar's rising, stock valuations will be going down. Cryptos are always always like valued against the dollar. If the dollar doubles in value, you would expect cryptocurrencies to be halved because you're comparing it against the dollar. So you're comparing it against something that's twice as strong as it was yesterday. Therefore, if the value of the crypto didn't rise, you're going to have a value cut in half. So there's a lot, man, that's right on the edge of the horizon that we don't know if it'll happen. They could devastate markets. Victor, what size shirt you wear, man? Because you're getting one here pretty soon. 13-month member chat, loving it. Boom. Peace out to the bees, baby. Peace out to the bees. Loving it, Victor. Thank you very much for having that green name for 13 months, man. Moises, so what's up, Clay, bro? Best year ever. You already know what it is, dude. You already know what it is. Victor says, can I trade my shirt for a blue name? Yeah, dude, you can trade your shirt for a blue name. I don't care if you want to trade your shirt for a blue name. I say we take up Cousin Eddie approach with Mr. Simon's boss. I say the exact same thing. Who's with Pudgy and I? Who's with Pudgy and I? We need to get this man 1111 Mrs. Simonia. Nice. 1111 Simonia. Who's with Pudgy and I? We're going to get Simon a bonus here. Clay, North Korea is the worry here, Clay, bro. They've been playing funny buggers with Miss... Yeah, I know, Francis. It's crazy, isn't it? And they think that they've got the guts to do so for some reason, and nobody's going to do anything about them. I think if everyone's just patient, we'll hit a bull run in the next year, and we'll all be happy. Some people just need a little patience. So buy a little bit when you can. Franchise, absolutely. I don't know if it happens in the next year or not, but typically, with bear markets lasting about 1.5 to 2 years, you would be correct, right? We should expect, if the same cycle repeats itself, I don't know, by May of 2023, things may start to turn around. By the end of 2023, things should be turning around based on previous market cycles. But I will always say this. I am not a believer in fractals. I'm not a believer in everything having to repeat itself. That's not me, man. With everything that's going on in the current economy, and in the current world right now, I mean, you guys can agree. Like, what if these guys got wild, and all of a sudden we did lose half of Europe or half of Asia because of these guys out there that want to act a fool? What if that happened? That's not precedented, and that can't be represented by fractals, okay? You would see some crazy losses and some very difficult times ahead. So, yeah, dude, there's a lot going on, man. Simon, does this mean we're getting your long hair back? Yes, it might take a while, but we might. Anyone else spending the time winterizing their home? No. The only thing that I really do any different when the winter comes around, dude, is I turn the pilot light back on in the fireplace. Clear, bro, if you have an XL red shirt. I think the reds went to XL. I think the reds went to XL. I don't know. Yeah, I got a couple red XLs. I actually do have a couple red XLs. Sarah, you green in my eyes. Yes. How about now? Nope, you're still gray, Sarah. Still gray. That's 2 memberships. Not the right one. Oh, God, Sarah. Somebody help Sarah, please. Somebody help Sarah. Oh, boy. Moji! Just cleaned up my city block size furnace from the 70s, made by Honeywell 2 miles away. Shop vacuum, the air returns, clean to the filters, so the new one comes in. Nice, Bronson. No, I give up. Sarah Destekroy is forever gray. How is it 1 o'clock already? Holy cow, man. This morning went fast, destined to never be green again. Sarah Destekroy. Till the next time, you will stay gray. Clay, working overtime today. 4 hours overtime. No. Nope, Simon, not happening. AMC chapter coming in with the peace out to the diamond-handed apes and the lunatics. Guys, Kia ora, cuz. Something. Putting plastic over 40 Dude, you got a lot of windows in your house, man. I thought I had a lot of windows. You got a lot of windows in your house. What the heck? 40 windows? I thought I had a lot of windows. My gosh. Time flies when green names are being given out. Yes, they are. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Went way too fast. Candy Simpson. Oh, my gosh, Candy, you haven't been in here in a long time. How you doing, Candy? Let's do these shout-outs, guys. We will be back later. Thanks to everybody for hanging out right now. Shout-out to Rozzy, Moji, JB, Pika Power, guest name, Francis, Victor, Candy, hello, and thank you for being back here. AMC Trapper, welcome to all the new bros, too. Yes, and peace out to the Diamond Hand Apes and the Lunatics. We've got one and only Bronson, Official NZ, Frank, Moises, See You Later Man, King Mamba, 1111, Mrs. Simonia, Moji, Q unplug phone, Q unplug camera. Yes, exactly, Moji, exactly. You guys, Francis, truck driver, the DC888, Victor, Danelle, Candy. I've been scared of this market. Yeah, I don't blame you for being scared of the market. Taking some time off might have been healthy. So glad to have you back hanging out with us. Sarah Destekroy, thank you for trying to get a green name and enjoy your evening. Hope to see you back. I hope to see you back in the next live stream. 1111 Simonine, you see you later. Pika Power, all of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Moji says, wait, Clay bro, just one banana. I got you, Moji. You ready for this? You take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Moji, thank you. We got one bro membership. Who's it go to? Does it go to Sarah? Does it go to Sarah? It goes to Beaver Lumber. Beaver Lumber got the membership. Beaver Lumber, please be active in the chat. Beaver Lumber, you grabbed that green name there, so it almost went to Sarah. It did not. It went to Beaver Lumber. So welcome, Beaver Lumber. Glad to have you in here, and hopefully you stay active in the chat now. Simon, man, peace out to you. Beaver Lumber, welcome. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Compliments of Pika Power. So Pika Power, thank you very much for the green name to Beaver Lumber there. We've got AMC Trapper, peace out to you. 11 on the Simonina. Rozzy. I thought it was going to Sarah as well, Rozzy. You kind of scared me on that. I thought it was going to Sarah on that one. And Nick F says 16 million. Total views. Very nice, man. Absolutely awesome. Moji says, oh no, dude, Clipper, you cracked me up. Moises, man. If you want to laugh even harder, man, this is how you eat a hot dog. You take the hot dog and you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip. And when you're done dipping that hot dog, you just shove it in one bite. It's called the dip and shove technique. Simonino says, or Simonina, 1111 Simonina says, pour some salt on the table and throw it over your shoulder because it's good luck. Because it tastes so good, you just gotta but every time it gets in your eyes and it stings, man. It stings. Simon, thank you very much. Moji, Rozzy, thank you very much. We got shout out to King Mamba, Victor, Eric, Francis, Rozzy, Danelle, Sarah Destekroy, Mr. Barboza. We got Moji, Simonino, Pika Power, Moji, Barboza, Eric, Simon, Eric. All of you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Thank you very much, Rozzy, for the little pretty kitty cat super sticker. And yes, Simon, I did call you Simon. Should I have called you Simonino, man? I should have called you Simonino. Trapper, was that a mistake? It might have been a mistake. What did Trapper say? I don't know if it was a mistake or not. It was never a mistake. If Trapper calls a mistake, I don't know. Oh, maybe Trapper blocked somebody. Did Trapper block somebody? I don't know if he blocked somebody. It was probably a mistake. Yes. Let's see. I got it. I got it quick on that one. No, I got it back. It had to be a mistake. I got it back right there. He's good now. He's good. I unhid. What do we got? Victor! Thank you for the wrench. Victor, wrench. Victor really gunning for that wrench. I'm telling you right now, we might have to do another wrench sweep. And if some of these guys aren't coming back in the chat, we might have to reevaluate the wrench situation right now. Victor, you are gunning for a wrench. For sure. You know, I know Eric. Eric's got a wrench recently, but Eric only comes in here maybe once every week or two now. So Eric might be running on his probation period with that wrench there. and it might be getting ready to go to Victor. But Moji says, everybody close your eyes. Moji wants a little... Moji, man, thank you very much for the peach. Loving it, man. No, I got him back. Moses is back. I caught it back off there. Don't go, Clay. Well, I can't go off the super chats. Keep running. Gotta have one, at least one. Yeah, Moji, man. Everybody else had to close their eyes. You can touch it if you want. Only like D's. Only you can touch it if you send it. Moji was able to touch that one, man. I work, so I'm here when I can. Victor, good deal, man. Yeah, I completely understand, man. Nonetheless, guys, we got shout out to Moji, 1111 Samaninha. We got Pika Power, Moji, AMC Trapper, Samaninha, AMC Trapper, Pika Power, Samaninha, D's, Moji, Victor, D's, za 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 za, za 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 za, za za za, za za za. Razi Zazi Zaza. Thank you very much for the super chat. Razaza. Really appreciate that one. I don't know why Zaza is like his favorite thing, but it's my favorite thing now too. Raza. Thank you very much for the super chat, dude. Victor, shout out to you. D's official. Pika. Razi. I'm actually hungry too. What is Zaza, dude? What do you mean, Simoninho? You gotta come off to the chat more often. Razi, shout out to you and all of you guys. Know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.